Bayangin kuliah, tapi belajarnya bukan cuma di kelas, melainkan lewat dapur dan cerita lintas negara. Di Binus University, pengalaman itu jadi nyata. Lewat Taste of Australia, sebuah ruang belajar yang menghubungkan mahasiswa dengan budaya, rasa, dan cara pandang dunia yang berbeda. Bersama salah satu runner-up MasterChef Australia, Callum Hunt, peserta dari Faculty of Digital Communication and Hotel Tourism, program Hotel Management, gak hanya belajar tentang teknik masak, tapi tentang cerita di balik setiap hidangan. Hidangan itu sendiri ada Aussie Barbecue Style Meal Rib Eye Beef Steak with Roma Butter Sauce yang dilengkapi dengan iceberg, dill dressing, chili crisp, pickle shallot, Kalamata olive, and Hasselback potatoes. Menggugah banget ya proses demonya. Tapi daripada lapar, mending kita tanya-tanya Callum yuk. Kira-kira kalau main kesini lagi, ada menu khas Australia lainnya yang ingin dikenalkan lagi nggak sih?
If I had to choose Australia, to showcase us and what we're about through one dish, the dish that comes to mind for me is a pavlova. If you haven't had it before, it's almost like a cake, but made from one giant meringue, egg whites beaten up to their stiff, baked until it's crispy on the outside, almost marshmallow-like and soft and gooey on the inside. Lots of cream, lots of tropical fruit on top, which actually would mean it's the perfect food to have here in Jakarta as well, because your fruit here is incredible. But I think what I love about it is it's something that we make in celebration. So whether we're celebrating, commiserating, whatever it is, that's when the pavlova comes out. And I think that's the reason it's such an important dish in Australian history, and something that you see on the dinner table in Australian houses all over the country. My advice would be to get outside of your comfort zone. Now that can come in many forms. That might be like some of the students today who are here on exchange. It might be going and working at a restaurant that only you could ever dream of. Or it might be learning a new skill, a technique, doing the silly thing I did and going on a reality TV show about cooking, whatever it is. I think that if you can in some way get out of your comfort zone as part of your learning, I think it helps really broaden your horizons and helps you learn in a slightly different way, and it can help you sort of stand out from the pack and from the rest, and end up being the best cook or chef or whatever your career profession might be, compared to other people as well. So I think get outside your comfort zone.
Sejalan dengan visi Binus University, kolaborasi bersama Kedutaan Besar Australia ini menjadi bukti bahwa pendidikan bisa hadir lebih dekat, lebih nyata, dan lebih relevan.
Ya, salah satu misi dari FDCHT adalah mendorong pencapaian goals, yaitu melalui international experience. Jadi dengan sharing dari Chef Cullen, menurut saya merupakan salah satu cara anak-anak untuk bisa mencapai outcome-nya mereka melalui kegiatan international experience ini.
Lebih dari sekedar masak, Taste of Australia adalah cerita tentang pertemuan antara pendidikan, budaya, dan masa depan global.
Our partnership with Binus, we're very proud of our partnership with Binus. For a number of years, they've worked with us from our Aussie Bang It Corner here in Jakarta to hosting the previous Taste of Australia. For us, the embassy is always keen to work with partners who can bring something to the relationship, reach a whole group of students, reach a whole group of people, and Binus is absolutely one of those. We're very happy to be partnering with Binus and hope we can find some further opportunities in the future.
Dari kegiatan ini, jadi sadar sih kalau kuliah seharusnya bukan cuma soal gelar, tapi tentang pengalaman yang membentuk cara kita melihat dunia.